Well, now we've got our bed lined. That took us about 45 minutes, no, about 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it's a bit quicker. Depends on how you go with the folds and what your corner posts are like. But we're up to this part now where we're going to put in our overflow. This is where you need a steady hand, a cool head, and a big tube of silicone. So, we're going to do a dry fit of our tank valve first. That's just going straight through the hole we made earlier, of course. Making sure that inside the bed there's no soil in the way. You've got plenty of room for the wash to slide over the tail once it's fitted to the liner. And a nifty trick for cutting it in is to actually hold the tank valve just inside the bed frame with your foot against here and pushing the liner against it so that it forms an imprint so you can cut inside the tank valve and you don't cut a hole that's too large. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. One of the things we want to make sure of is that we've got the liner down all the way, plenty of slack underneath where the valve's going to sit through, and then you push it with your foot and here it is here, which makes it a great way to cut the hole in. Grab our knife very carefully. I'm just going to slice inside the end of that tank valve, just nice and gentle, just a little cross like this, and that's going to make a hole big enough for us. Then we're just going to take those little triangles off like that. That's two. Taking plenty of time. You only need to do this once. You only want to do this once. First time for everything. That one's folded through. There he is. Now that hole there should be nice and snug. Knife goes away again, of course. This part of this conversion you want to be super protective of the liner, and it's going to be snug, but there we go, we're through. And that's our dry fit, ready to get siliconed up. Okay, now we need 2 out of those 3 screws you've got there, and your drill with your Phillips head driver, of course, on there. We're going to screw the tank valve head in place to secure it so it doesn't turn once we start siliconing up the washers. That's 2. Good to go.